What technology are you showcasing?
Yeah, we're demonstrating the LSAM system, which is Thermwood's large-scale additive manufacturing system for thermoplastic composite materials.
What are the key benefits?
Well, the LSAM is designed to create large parts quickly by producing large, very consistent bead sizes.
What are your target applications?
We target, we're big in aerospace, automotive, foundry, oil and gas. There's quite a few sectors that we're in, and we keep finding more and more areas where we can fit.
How will this impact the industry?
We're finding significant savings in material costs, labor savings, and the time to get the product completed. In fact, the project that we are demonstrating here live has a 75% faster creation time compared to their traditional methods.
What does JEC World mean to you?
JEC World means connecting to people that we couldn't connect to before, people that are outside our home base. So it's been great.
What is your advice for new exhibitors?
I'd say go for it. We've been here, this is our third year now, and it's been wonderful. The team that we work with is great. Fill all our needs that we need. Any questions we have, they are very responsive.